Adventures of Zach and Peter. Celebrating Ramadan.
Hello friends. Today we have a very special video.
That's right, Peter. Today we are doing a video about Ramadan.
It's a very important holiday for Muslims all over the world.
Exactly, Peter. Now let's move on to the good stuff.
Hey Zach. How are you?
I am okay. Just my energy is a bit low, but other than that I am good.
Any reason?
Yeah, it's Ramadan, so I am fasting.
What's Ramadan? What does fasting mean?
Well, I am a Muslim, so I celebrate a holiday called Ramadan once a year.
Oh, okay. So what do you do to celebrate?
Well, we fast from sunrise to sundown, and then we eat together.
Is there a party?
No, not really. Just a lot of friends and family come together and eat. It's not really a holiday for fun. It's more for religion. It's an offering we make for God, and we take time to reflect on how much He has given us.
Wow. That's really wonderful. But it seems very difficult.
At first it seems hard, but later on it does get easier.
I am so happy to learn about Ramadan. It seems so interesting.
Hey Peter, thanks for meeting me here. I was hungry and I know we also had to get this homework done.
No worries, Raj. I am happy to help.
Oh, before we start, would you like to eat something or get something to drink?
No thank you, Raj. It's Ramadan and I am fasting.
Well, get a cup of water at least.
Well, for Ramadan we don't eat or drink until sunset.
Not even water?
Not even water.
That doesn't sound healthy. Who would do that? That sounds crazy.
Well, about 1.907 billion Muslims do it every year.
That's a lot, but I could never do it.
Don't knock it till you try it. Of course, I would never encourage anyone to follow the tradition of a religion that you don't follow, but fasting can improve your overall health. Basically, fasting can cleanse our bodies of toxins and can force cells into processes that are not usually stimulated when we are constantly eating. When we fast, the body doesn't have its normal access to glucose. That forces our cells to make use of other sources and materials to make energy.
Wow, that is actually quite interesting. Perhaps one day I will just try it and see how I feel.
Yeah, maybe you will like it. Anyway, let's finish up our work. Hey mother. How are you?
I am fine, sweetie. How are you?
I am okay. I am just so tired.
Is it because of fasting?
Yes! And I am so hungry. I hate fasting.
You need to calm down. We make this offering for God. Do not ruin this offering by having a bad attitude.
You are right, mother. I am sorry.
It's fine, sweetie. Go get some rest. I know fasting is not easy, but it's not nice to be angry while doing it. Get some rest and dinner will be ready when you get up.
Thanks, mother. I'll see you later. It's time to break our fast.
Yes, it is. Yay.
I am so happy now.
So am I. This has been totally worth it. You did a great job, Abby.
We did it. This was such a good experience, and I felt like I learned a lot.
So did I, but I also feel like we helped teach others as well.
That's absolutely right, Zach. Good job, little brother. Happy Ramadan.
Thanks, Peter. You too. Now if you excuse me, I will take a nap. I ate too much.
Well, I guess that's it for today.
Happy Ramadan, everyone.
Remember to take this time to think about all that we have.
Think about all those people whom are less fortunate than us, and that deserve our prayers.
Don't lose your cool while fasting. I know it's hard to fast, but there is no point if you are just mean to everyone. It defeats the purpose. Don't let anyone tell you that fasting is crazy or wrong, and combat their ignorance with scientific facts.
Ultimately, use your knowledge and help teach others. Many people don't know about Ramadan or Islam. Not to trump over their beliefs, but rather to exchange knowledge with others. Then from that improve as people. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Bye friends. Happy Ramadan. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.